and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travelnewsgroup, youtube.com/travelnewsgroup. Here's our update.
COMAC, record 24 ARJ21 aircraft delivered in 2020. The Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China COMAC announced today that its ARJ21 regional jetliner hit a record high annual delivery of 24 aircraft in 2020. As of the end of 2020, COMAC had delivered a total of 46 ARJ21 aircraft, said the Chinese commercial plane maker, also the developer of C919 single-aisle passenger aircraft. The China-developed regional jetliner model has entered a phase of accelerated batch delivery and large-scale commercial operation. COMAC has delivered ARJ21 airplanes to 6 Chinese airlines: Air China, China Eastern Airlines, China Southern Airlines, Chengdu Airlines, China Express Airlines, Jiangxi Air and Genghis Khan Airlines. As of the end of 2020, these ARJ21 jetliners have safely carried around 1.6 million passengers, COMAC said.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travelnewsgroup, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.